just got done doing both tours here, Natural Bridge Tour and Historical Tour. It was awesome. And it was like $35 for both tours, and it lasted about 2 hours. And a nice little gift shop here. I tell you, it was awesome. Again, I couldn't take any videos, but I did take some awesome pictures of all the stalagmites and stalactites they had, and they it was great. And here in the middle of Ohio Caverns. Check it out in West Liberty, Ohio. It's Joe Mackey. I'm out here. Have a great day.